Okay. Hi, this is Astrid again. Today I'm going to show you how to create and customize a guideline. What is really cool about RWD is the freedom this retail platform gives you. The feedback that we have from our client is that it's really powerful and user-friendly. So come to see. Now I'm going to show you how to have this final rendering. So to do so, I have two different ways. The first one is to set very precisely the dimension of my fixture. So the sides, the header, the footer. I can add some texture, so for example, a wooden texture to be the closest as I have in real life. And in my back panel, for example, here, I can add a color. Here it is. And then I can add from the toolbox the shelves and so on. Second way to do so is to upload directly a picture of my back wall. And then I can add directly from the toolbox some shelves, for example, with same precise dimension. I can put it exactly on top of the other and so on, like this. I can add, if I want, a texture and then continue to build my back wall. The idea at the end is to have this final guideline. And now I'm going to show you some tips that our clients are really enjoying when building their planograms. So let's imagine that I'm going to place those lamps here, and I'm gonna put 3 of them. I can very easily duplicate them. I can distribute them equally on my shelf. And then maybe I want to switch this one with the golden one here. And then those lamps here, I want to add the same over there. Very easily, I can duplicate them. Then I can maybe place a little bit more of those scripts here, stack them. Maybe I can switch those 2 shelves over there. Does it seem okay? Yes, it is. And voila!